In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos in hidden albums on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Photos application and then you can open up, for example, your recent album or some another album, and from here you can add any picture to your hidden album and you can do it with multiple photos at once. In order to do that, just hit here at Select to select some pictures that you want to hide. I'll select that pictures, and now all I have to do is tap right here at three dots icon and there select hide. Now tap on hide for photos to hide them, and now let me show you how you can easily find those photos. So go back to albums and here scroll down to the very bottom. Here you can find your hidden album. It's now locked on my device. I'll show you later how you can lock this album on your device, and I can just tap here on that album and then use my Face ID to get access to my hidden photos. So now let me show you how you can lock that album or even hide it even from here. To be able to do that, go into Settings, then scroll down until you find Photos, and here first you can enable Use Face ID feature to lock that album, and from now Face ID is required to view the hidden and recently deleted albums. And also here you can disable that option, Show Hidden Album. While this option is enabled, you can see that album, and if you want to hide hidden album from albums, just toggle this option off, and now if you go back to your photos and scroll down, there you can't find hidden album anymore. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.